We have with us Ms. Neeru Dutt, Assistant Manager, State Bank of India, Gurdaspur Road Branch. She was born and brought up in Dehradun. After completing her post-graduation, she started teaching in college. She joined SBI in 1994 and is now working as an assistant manager. We would like to hear from you, ma'am, banker's perspective on credit access available to women entrepreneurs under the Stand Up India scheme. Welcome, ma'am. Over to you, Neeraj.
Is it okay? Should I start?
Yeah, please start.
Good evening, everyone. I am Neeru Dutt from State Bank of India, Gurdaspur Road, Pathankot branch. Today, I will discuss Stand Up India scheme in detail with you all. Present scenario, jobs are very less, and the young generation is not interested in the job where they are bound. So, for new entrepreneur, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, announced Stand Up India scheme on 2015, 15th August 2015, and it was launched on 6th April 2016. Now, first of all, we should know that who are eligible for this scheme: SC, ST, and women. SC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and women are eligible for this scheme. Term period of this scheme is 7 years, and project cost should be 10 lakh to 1 crore. And if any partnership firm is there, then 51% stakeholder should be women. And the entrepreneur should be 18 plus, because below 18 is a minor and minor can't make any contract. So this is the eligibility criteria for Stand Up India scheme. Bank only not entertain the step-in customer. Bank also entertain the customer from government agencies, MSME Development Center, and National Skill Development Corporation. In Stand Up India scheme, entrepreneurs are divided into two parts. One is greenfield and other is brownfield. Brownfield means existing entrepreneur, they are not eligible for this scheme. They can't apply because they are already running any of the project. Greenfield entrepreneur who are very new, who newly wants to begin, they are eligible for this Stand Up India scheme. If their project cost is 10 lakh to 1 crore, then they can apply in this scheme. These enterprises may be manufacturing, trading, or services. Now we come to the nature of the loan. Nature of the loan is divided into two parts. One is term loan and other is working capital limit. See, if we are going to start any of the project, two things are required. One is machinery and second is our day-to-day expenses. For machinery, bank provides term loan, and for day-to-day requirements, bank provides working capital limit. I'll give you an example. If one entrepreneur wants to start a biscuit making factory or any of the other product, so machinery is required and day-to-day expenses are also there. So for machinery, bank provides term loan, and for working capital limit, bank provides other expenses, bank provides working capital limit. So now entrepreneur don't have to run here and there for the expenses, for financial help, for other reasons. Bank provides all the requirements of entrepreneur. So credit guarantee fund is also provided in Stand Up India scheme by government. SIDBI provides refinance, and NABARD is also playing a very, very important role in this. NABARD is providing training to the trainers, and those trainers provide training to new entrepreneurs who are going to start something new. So people always say ki when we visit the bank, banker says, bring this, bring that, and हमको बड़े चक्कर लगाने पड़ते हैं बैंक के, रोज रोज बैंक आना जाना पड़ता है और हमारे काम नहीं होते. This is, bankers are also bound. Paperwork you have to complete. If you want speedy response from the bank, if you want कि आपको बैंक के चक्कर ना लगाने पड़े, so you should take along few documents so that you can apply easily और आपको बैंक के चक्कर ना लगाने पड़े. So please note down. First of all, you have to take your identification proof, identity proof, then your residence proof, and third and most important is your workplace address proof. Bank has to make pre-sanction visit, post-sanction visit, and if bank is having your workplace address, then it will be easy for banker to make all the decisions. As this scheme is for SC, ST, then you have to take along SC, ST certificate. Then projected balance sheet also required. And most important, that entrepreneur should not be defaulter. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं हमने एक बैंक से लोन लिया, उसको नहीं चुकाया, दूसरे बैंक में जाके दोबारा लोन ले लें, किसको पता लगने वाला है. Now, transparency is there. Your CIBIL scores should be proper and you should not be defaulter. And next thing is your asset and liability statement. If guarantor is there, then asset and liability statement of guarantor. And if you are individual, then your income tax return you should take along. If you will take along these documents, then you don't have to visit the branch again and again. Bank itself will complete all the formalities and provide you the loan. Now we come that what is margin money? Margin money is 25%. So now state government and center government, they are playing very important role to motivate women, SC and ST. Now this margin money is 10% only. And if you provide margin money 10%, then you will be able to start your project. So now how to apply? You can apply from any bank, any branch. You can apply through lead bank manager. And next, very important is you can apply online. Online application is very easy. Online Stand Up India Mitra portal is there. And many hand-holding agencies are also there, which will guide you, help you, give you proper knowledge of your project. So if you are applying online, then you will be able to know, you will be able to trace that what is the position of your documents. And if your loan case is rejected, then bank has to provide you in writing that why your loan has been rejected. So this is all about Stand Up India scheme. And I am very thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, जिन्होंने भारतीय नारी को सम्मान देते हुए SC, ST के साथ विमेन को इतना महत्व दिया. हमारी संस्कृति में नारी को इतना महत्व दिया गया है, कहा जाता है यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. अर्थात जहां नारी का सम्मान होता है वहां देवताओं का वास होता है. So I am very thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, जिन्होंने SC, ST के साथ women को भी स्थान दिया. This is all about Stand Up India scheme. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thank you everyone for listening me. Thanks.